Hello student, here we discuss about coordination complex and cis and trans isomerism. So cis isomers and trans isomers, these are the geometrical isomer of each other. Okay, so here we are discussing about octahedral complex. Octahedral complex means there are 6 donor atom. Octahedral geometry is there, and hybridization can be either D2sp3 or sp3d2. We discuss it separately. Here we are discussing about only geometrical isomers, cis and transform. We are not considering whether it is D2sp3 or sp3d2. Although cobalt here D2sp3, but still we will discuss that. Okay, so here when this type of hybridization will be there, octahedral geometry will be there, and how they can form the cis and trans isomers. So they can form this either by 6 means octahedral geometry is there, means there will be 6 donor atom. 6 donor atom can be of two type. Either they have monodentate ligands, all these ammonia or 4 ammonia and 2 Cl are there, or any other neutral or negatively charged ion can be there. Only one donor atom will be there, then we call it monodentate. Okay, one donor atom, here nitrogen donating electron pair, nitrogen donating electron pair, this nitrogen donating electron pair. That is why I made a coordinate covalent bond over here. And here Cl negative charge, it is donating a lone pair to this. Cl negative charge, it is donating. That is why -1 minus 2 minus. Okay, and if it is 3 plus, then only this will having one positive. 3 plus -2, it will be plus 1, right? So plus 1 charge carried by the complex ion, and that is why at the last we have not to change anything. It is cis form, Cl on the same plane, cis form tetraamine dichloro cobalt 3 ion. Again I repeat, cis form tetraamine, 4 amines are there, ammonia group are there, and here dichloro cobalt 3 ion, positive ion. That is why it will not change. Here the same name will be there, but only we have to say it is trans. Okay, this is trans form of this. So name will be remain as such, tetraamine dichloro cobalt 3 ion. Only thing trans form is added to here. Okay, now we will go for this. We discussed about all monodentate ligand, and here NH3 neutral ligand, 0 charge, NH3 neutral ligand, 0 charge, 4 NH3, 0 charge. Only 2 Cl are there which are carrying 1 negative. So 1 negative of this, 1 negative of this, and this complex ion is having positive charge. So it must be having, cobalt must be having 3 positive. So I am writing here 3 positive. Say this central atom is having 3 positive. So minus 2 plus 3 minus